cinema isn't about big budgets or expensive equipment. It's about storytelling, creativity, and passion. We want to bring you the first festival of its kind, the Kurdish Mobile Film Festival. Whether you're making a short film or a documentary, as far as it's up to 15 minutes long, shot on a mobile phone and primarily in Kurdish, it's eligible. This festival is more than just a competition. It's a platform to showcase emerging talent and grow the culture of cinema. At VIM Foundation and at the Department of Cinema Art in Slimani, we believe in empowering artists to bring their ideas and imagination to life through film. If you have a story to tell, grab your phone, start filming, and be part of the future of Kurdish cinema.